In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello Planner with its drag and drop scheduling feature. Whether you're managing projects or simply organizing your tasks, this tool can make your life a lot easier by streamlining your workflow directly from within Trello. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the Trello website. If you already have the Trello app on your device, you can open that up as well. Next, you'll want to select your preferred method of logging in. Trello offers several options such as Google, Microsoft, or using your email. Choose whatever is most convenient and secure for you. Once you've logged in, it's time to dive into your workspaces by selecting one of your boards. This could be a project you're working on or a collection of tasks you need to manage. When you've picked the right board, you'll need to locate the Planner feature. To do this, scroll down to the bottom of your board where the Planner option should be visible. Alternatively, if you enjoy using shortcuts to speed things up, you can press the G and P keys simultaneously, which will take you directly to the Planner view. If this is your first time setting up the Planner, there's a small extra step to complete. You'll need to connect your calendar. Trello supports both Google Calendar and Outlook. This connection is essential because it allows you to seamlessly integrate your scheduling across platforms. Once your calendar is linked, you're ready to start scheduling tasks. Simply drag cards from your Trello board or inbox and drop them onto specific dates and times in your Planner calendar. This drag and drop functionality makes it easy to visualize and plan your schedule. If you need to adjust the length of time allocated to certain tasks, you can do this by dragging the bottom edge of the card in the calendar view. This will change the duration, allowing you to more accurately reflect the time required for each task. An important aspect of Trello Planner is that when you schedule a card using the planner, it will automatically update the due date on the corresponding Trello card. This ensures consistency across your planning tools and prevents any discrepancies. You can also view all of your scheduled tasks directly within your calendar and make any necessary adjustments. These changes will conveniently sync back to your Trello board, offering a truly integrated experience. This feature is particularly helpful in maintaining a holistic view of your tasks, deadlines, and ongoing projects. By using Trello Planner's drag and drop scheduling, you can efficiently organize your workload, making it a great complement to your usual Trello setup.